Good morning! It's our day 2 here in Hotel Montecillo. So, yan, nakapagbihis na tayo because we're going to eat breakfast. Good morning, family! Good morning, Bella! Good morning, Babushka! I'm eat time. So, I didn't sleep well because the baby wasn't sleeping good. So it's normal. Only Babushka slept good. Papa slept 3 a.m. because he had work. And we woke him up early. So it's time to go now. See ya! So, yan. Palabas na kami. Pababa. Dito kami sa elevator. So, here's our OOTD for today. Morning, Papa. Papa is still sleepy.
Yeah.
Why did you scratch your nose?
Did I?
Here.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a pimple.
It's a pimple. How about you? Are you ready to eat? Hindi ko pa siya binihisin kasi magsiswimming siya mamaya. Cafe Mercedes. So, kumukuha na po sila ng breakfast nila. And we're gonna wait for them, my love, right? We need to wait for them before Mama will get her food. Tingnan niyo yung paa ng anak ko, mga beshes. So guys, I'm eating champorado, melon, toasted bread. So, eto po pala din yung gabi. Hindi ko masyadong nabili. So, tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Nandito na kami sa room. And, hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin ulit. Bella, swimming?
Papa.
Baba. Baba.
Baba.
Baba. Swimming time.
Sure.
Look at the outfit of the baby. And the papa's outfit. Oh! So, tingnan natin yung pool nila. Exit. So, on our way na, papuntang pool. So, tingnan natin kung maganda ba siya. Okay, so yan yung parking nila. I think the pool is here. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, they have towels here. So, yan po yung pool nila. Malaki naman siya. Ito for the kids. Babe, is it cold? No? nasa yung buhok ko. Kasi may chlorine yung yung pool. So, baka masira. Bago pa naman. Dali! So, tapos na po kaming mag-swimming. Inalita na si baby. Bella, we're going back to our room. Bella will sleep. Drink milk. Hello, my Batman.
Господи, тяжелый подгузник-то мне. Может, поэтому ей не понравилось, что подгузник тяжелый тянет. Специально подгузники, ведь нам там давали другой какой-то.
Ее надо сейчас помыть чуть-чуть.
Да, надо.
Guys, so kakagising lang namin. So after namin mag-swimming, bumalik kami sa room. Nag-shower, nagpalit, at pinakain ko si baby. Then nakatulog kami ng mga 2 oras. Ngayon, it's like 12, almost 12:30 na. So magda-lunch kami sa labas, and I'm gonna prepare now. Let me put some cream on my face. Marami tayong freckles. It's natural. Yung iba nga nagpapalagay ng fake freckles. Okay. Yun lang. I bought this from the Face Shop. I've been using this cream for almost 6 years na. Okay, I think tapos na. Next, let's put eyebrows. Kasi nag-shower tayo after mag-swimming, so nawala yung eyebrows natin. Ganyan lang ako maglagay ng eyebrows. Wait lang. Tingnan natin ng mascara yung eyebrows natin. Pag nasa labas ako, pag lalabas ako, naglalagay ako ng konting makeup. Pag nasa bahay, wala. Ano lang, natural beauty, bare face. Okay guys, so tapos na yung eyebrows natin. Pantay naman sila. Dilim yan, okay. Done. Next, lipstick. Yesterday, nag-red lipstick tayo. Ngayon, nude lang. Nude lang tayo ngayon. Gosh, nasugatan na ako. Kasi nag-iimpake ako ng damit ng anak ko. Tapos, nabangga ako sa cabinet. Okay. Nude lipstick. Sensational liquid matte. For Maybelline. Let's put makeup. Okay, so we're done. I'm ready to go. Yun lang yung lipstick natin. Light lang. Uy, what's wrong with the baby? Oh! Let's put Hi, Lala! Mama is putting chick tint. So, yan. Inaantay namin yung car kasi lalabas kami. Kakain kami ng lunch. So, we're waiting for Papa kasi kinuha niya yung car. Nandito na kami sa harap ng hotel. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami kakain ng lunch. Let's see. The baby's there with the babushka. So guys, we're here in the Cliff, Tagaytay. And naglalakad na kami papunta sa restaurant. So the baby is there. And Papa is there. Ang ganda dito. Second time na namin pumunta dito. The last time we came here, kumain kami sa Conchas. So, yan yung Conchas dyan. Ngayon, we're gonna eat sa... Where? Where we're gonna eat?
Не туда приехал.
Кончия.
Yeah, we ate here before.
Я вон
Okay, parang nagkamali yung husband ko. Tingnan natin kung anong restaurant yung kakain na namin. Okay guys, for the second time, we're here. And yung Taal Lake dyan, kitang-kita natin. Ang ganda dito. So, last time we went here, may pictures kami dito with my family kasi birthday yun ng tatay ko. So, yan. Ang ganda dito. Clear siya ngayon. The name of the restaurant is the Fire Lake Grill. Yeah. Okay. Sana hindi ako nagkamali. So, yan. Lalagay muna sila ng alcohol while waiting for our order. Spasiba, Mami. Belle, it's not a toy. It's for the glass. Oy! So I ordered dalandan juice.
You order Italian style spaghetti, babe?
Yeah,
Like
as usual. Let's try their dalandan juice.
Ну, сейчас так уже. На второй план ушел. Сейчас
Fresh.
Юда сидит наш.
It's good. So they have a complimentary bread.
Господи. Вот я помру, и что мне до вас будет? Я вот думаю, такое. Ну, до них, точнее, до тех, кто что-то может сказать.
So my husband ordered beef. They ordered Italian spaghetti. So Babushka ordered salmon steak with couscous, right?
Couscous.
Couscous, I forgot couscous. How was your steak?
Great.
Great. Can I try?
Sure.
Feed the viewers, babe.
Australian soup loin and for you, babe.
It's good. So, masarap din yung meatballs nila kasi mahilig ako sa meatballs and tomato sauce. Okay, so I'm done eating my Italian spaghetti and it was good. Ang laki ng serving niya. Hindi ko halos maubos pero kailangan ko ubusin para hindi masayang. Siyempre, maraming taong nagugutom ngayon. Bawal magsayang ng food. Yes, Belle. So my daughter is shouting here inside the restaurant. Hey, my love. Zaika. Hello, guys. This is my Zaika. Zaika is a Russian word for rabbit. Zaika, right? Ah, I got it right. So my baby was born in the year of the rabbit. And she's my Zaika. So, year of the rabbit, that was 2023. What? Showing your food. So, nag-order sila ng desserts. Ako ayoko ngayon, pero nag-order sila. So, hihingi tayo. So, inaantay namin yung desserts namin. So, I think he ordered panna cotta and what's the first?
It's like Shibuya ice cream. Shibuya ice cream.
Shibuya. Sumisigaw po yung anak natin kakatapos niya lang kumain. Nag-iipin kasi siya. So, maingay siya ngayon. Tapos, parang may ano siya sa... Be! Parang may ano siya sa ngipin niya eh. Ayan, palabas na yung ngipin niya sa taas. Hoy! Say hi, people! Ha? So, you love dessert, Della? So, ito yung in-order namin na dessert. Hindi ko naman ang pangalan yan. May pineapple siya sa baba. Tsaka ice cream sa taas. Yeah, this is panna cotta. Mommy, eat, mommy. You can start eating. I'm just taking a video. So, nagluluto po sila ng steaks. Gosh, sarap yan. You're scared of the fire, La? Huh? Mom, what can you say? Kusna?
Вкусно.
Let's try it.
Кислинкой.
Jelly.
Ну, сладко, в принципе, но терпимо. Пойдем.
So, I'm eating panna cotta. May passion fruit siya, tsaka... I don't know, wait, what's the orange
Passion
one?
fruit.
Tomatoes?
Oh, orange.
Yeah.
Looks like tomato fruit.
It's so good.
Ah, no, it's a peach.
Peach. Peach pala. So, ito, ice cream. Ito, try natin. Na-try ko na siya. But
Peach
I'm
and maracuya.
gonna make a video.
This has rum. Be careful.
Not that many.
I think it's at the bottom. Look at this flower, huh? Look at this flower.
Nice flower. So guys, nandito kami sa local market ng Tagaytay. Da, mami.
Many.
We're gonna buy fruits. We're gonna buy avocado.
Авокадо.
Banana. For the baby.
Может, это еще. Папайя.
Papaya. Yeah, let's try. So, ito yung fruits nila dito. Ang bili na. So, we're buying one of this.
Same price lang. 120.
So,
120 na lang.
120. So, we like eating a dragon fruit and avocado. Mura lang yung ano dito. Yung kilo nila. Ma? Banana? Nga, sobrang mura dito kasang tayo sa amin. So, nandito na kami sa hotel. And these are the fruits that we bought from the market. The dragon fruits, bananas, and avocado. So, pinakain ko na si baby ng avocado. Half nito kinain na. Yung tira niya, kinain ko din. So, kakagising ulit namin. From lunch, pumunta ng market. Nagpakain kay baby. Nag-nap ulit kami for like 2 hours. Nagpa-massage si Jenya for like 1 hour. Room service massage lang. So ngayon, lalabas kami ulit to eat dinner. So this vacation is all about staying at a hotel, sleeping, going out to eat food. Yun lang kami magbakasyon. So hindi kami ma-adventurous na tao. Kaya compatible kaming dalawa kasi yun lang yung ginagawa namin together. Nagmamadali sila, hindi na tayo makapag-vlog. Yan, mga bagong gising. Yung isa, bagong massage. How was the massage?
Oh, it was awesome.
Awesome? Felt good?
Yeah. Like, they rebuilt my body.
You Balik na kayo dito. Let's go! So guys, nandito kami sa Bag of Beans na restaurant. Papasok pa lang kami. Dito kami magdi-dinner tonight. Okay. So we're done eating dinner. Mommy, how was the food?
Okay.
Okay. Sana hindi ako nag-order ng Hawaiian pizza. Hindi namin naubos. Pero gusto ko yung hot chocolate nila. And yung in-order na milkshake ng husband ko. Flavored vanilla. And the baby's here. So grumpy. Kailangan na namin umuwi. And showered and matutulog na. So I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. So yun lang yung mga nangyari today. Here in Tagaytay. Bukas uwi na kami. Yung check out namin is 12 noon. So I'm gonna vlog again tomorrow. See you everyone. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye!